Okay, Bo, we tried everything we can, and it looks like something here knows your name. It don't know us.
Which I'm quite happy about.
Is there a spirit that hangs around in the ladies' toilets?
They will get you.
They will get you.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
I can still hear water dripping.
Yeah, I
I'm
can
thinking
still...
that. It's you. Okay.
Can you copy me? Okay, so we're at the Blacksmiths Arms in Burton-on-Trent. Burton-on-Trent, I don't know where we are, I didn't drive. So I'm here with Stacey today.
Hi.
Or Michelle. So we've heard a lot about this place, there's been a lot of people come here recently. So we're going to have a look around now, make sure there's nobody here before we start doing anything else. So we'll have a look around the rooms now and we'll come back in a minute. We'll just check inside these and then we'll come back. Hello? But yeah, okay, we'll try it again in a bit. Just checking it out. Hello, is anybody here? We're in the kitchen, we might as well just stay here, it's like we're at home.
Yeah, I was going to say, to be honest, I actually feel quite comfortable.
In fairness, I think it's It's done out quite nicely.
Better timing than ours.
Yeah, it's got decent tiles, we'll keep them.
It is fucking pouring out that. Brilliant.
Stacey's turned into a beatbox.
Brilliant.
Chicken in a basket.
Soup in a basket.
Oh, I just had my own reflection in the fucking...
Oh, trust me, I can find my way out of here, don't you worry about it.
How fast?
I'll be straight to the fucking front door.
Out the window.
Oh, my special's still on the board. $5.95, man, fucking...
What's that? Half roast chicken omelette.
Yeah.
Get one of them on.
Bag of hash browns, quid. Brilliant.
That's not a private door. Oh, it goes, that's what I was...
It's half a broken bowl. It's fucking half a broken bowl.
On the door, Brett. Oh, yep, that's theirs. You want to go first?
No, no. I'm good. Because trust me, if you go through it, I'm just going to laugh. I really
But I'm more likely to go through it.
I bet you can help me as a dancing fucking smurf again.
Just a small orange.
Just a very 90s, early, late 80s orange. Yeah, there's quite a lot of squish in that middle room.
It's an interesting view, isn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't look too creepy in there, does
No.
it?
Okay, I'm going to go way down then. Back under this.
The roof, you know. It's in there.
What's that?
I just heard it.
Noises in there?
Yeah. It sounded like somebody just turned the tap off and it was like dripping water.
Okay.
It was weird because I got feel like it and then all of a sudden I just heard it. But
Yeah, and it sounded like it was in there. Yeah, because I thought it sounded like the kitchen,
Yeah.
but the kitchen's not even this way.
No.
Okay.
So it definitely sounded like it was in there. It's just done it again.
Alright, so last week Cabo TV and Broken Capital came here because Cabo had his name called out in these toilets. I've heard it sounded exactly like his name. They tried everything, they moved the doors, they've had EMF out here, they've had voice recorders out here and they couldn't emulate it. So we're going to try again and see if we can find anything. I kind of hope not, to be honest with you, because I think it was brilliant, but we'll see what we find.
It's weird how everything seems to be hanging around the ladies' toilets with names and noises.
Yeah, it's odd, isn't it? Because that was noises out of there.
But it's not done it since.
No.
I've heard it twice, I've not heard it since.
Okay. So we've not actually been in here yet. Not sure I want it now.
Either way.
Right.
I went for a dump earlier.
Well, with a name like Michelle, she'd probably be.
My name's Michelle. I'm allowed in here.
There's a broken mirror now. I'm not sure that was on
You said there's
the
another
floor.
big mirror behind you.
Yeah, I've said that, so I don't turn around and scare myself.
It's in a weird place to put a mirror.
Yeah. Okay. So kind of what I wanted to try was moving
Because it sounded like running water and then somebody just turned the tap off.
the noise when it's said Carl. Nothing. These doors don't even swing back. That was what my thought was. That it was one of these.
Like a creaky door or something.
No, they don't even creak back. Not even if you force them, they don't make a noise. And there's definitely no running water in those loos.
But it did sound like drippy running water and stopped. And then again.
But I don't think there's. Is that?
That wasn't me. I stomach's rumbling a bit, but that wasn't me.
No, that was 2 bangs.
Yeah.
There's no water
There's
even
no,
in there.
but it sounded like running water, you know, when you turn the tops off and then it stops and you can hear it going.
Yeah.
I can imagine if there's no water, there's going to be nothing else left in the cisterns anyway.
No. Okay.
Brilliant.
So I don't know what else we can really try in here because...
Yeah, it's weird. Everything seems to be coming from this room. And there's nothing else in here. The thing is, when Carl was here, there was nothing.
No, well, they were at the
He did it
door.
at the door, there was nobody else in here.
They were literally like stood around the corner by that door, even further than you are round. But
And you've still got to physically move it.
yeah, you'd have to lean against that. And even if you move it slowly, that doesn't sound like
It doesn't sound anything like a name, no.
And I don't know what else to try.
I don't think there's anything else in here.
I mean,
You'd say.
he didn't play with that anyway, so...
Interesting. I'm trying not to scare the shit out of myself by staring at myself in
Yeah,
the
don't
mirror
look
and suddenly
yourself in the
turning
mirror.
around.
Yeah. Okay, so I just want to try. No,
Because it's pretty well secured onto
the
the
mirror
wall.
is solid,
Even though it's in a weird place, it's quite well secured.
mate. It's giving me chills now in here because I thought
It is actually really cold in there as well.
I thought there's a chance we'd find something in here.
It's colder in there than it is anywhere else.
Yeah, that's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it's colder there than it is anywhere else around the house, around the building. It is like proper, because you can actually see your breath standing in there where you're talking, where anywhere else you can't.
Yeah. But nothing makes a noise.
No. No, there's nothing squeaking or creaking or... But it is really cold in that room.
Yeah.
This is worth like getting your ear back. I don't know, look at that. See if this comes anything up.
So I think I can safely say I can't find anything in there that's going to make a noise. I've tried moving everything that I can think of now. When Carl and Aaron tried everything at the same time, so I don't know. We'll try the one next to it.
The gems.
Yeah. I have to peek round the corners first. I don't think it's doing its job anymore.
Not really, no.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no water. In fact, the pipes.
You're not going to get much out of them, are you?
The pipes are off.
Because they're not on anymore.
It's not radiators a bit.
It's you that didn't see you needing down to do that.
I need to give you a pretty warning.
You're going to say you're going to start banging stuff. See, that's wobbly as well, but still no proof.
So I don't think it's as cold in there, but if you go back into light, it's bloody free and you can see your breath in front of you.
Yeah, well, I don't feel as dodgy in this one, but it's probably
No.
because I know that the other one called out a name and I can't get to do it again.
Yeah, even by the door. You can see my breath in front of the door, but nowhere else.
That's odd, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's not happening anywhere else.
that's a bit weird.
It's not bringing anything. freezing in here.
Yeah. But there's no extra windows open or anything in there.
And there's nothing coming up. Yeah, it is really cold in there. Even just standing in the doorway, it's really cold in here. No, it's not coming up with anything. Yeah, fuck it. It's freezing.
I reckon we go in the bar area and sit in the dark. Yeah, we'll run that for a bit, see if we get anything off that, and then I'll try that
Like I said, I've got the
squeaky
camera
ass one
pointing
of
at that
mine.
as well. But
Cool. So, I'll put this down here. I know they can't see it, but we'll be able to see it.
how do you turn this one off? Was that it?
Yeah, you just hold it down.
Oh fuck, it's dark in here now.
Yeah, that's light's still on.
Brilliant.
I'm going to put the other cat ball on this table. Actually, your camera's facing here, innit?
Because if you want to move it round.
Nah, I'll leave that there, because then yours will get it.
Yeah.
And it'll get it on you will see it on your phone.
Now it's gone really cold in here.
Yeah.
Which it wasn't doing before.
No. That's new.
My finger's going over that button to turn that fucker back on.
Yeah, well, you've got hold of the light, 'cause I haven't got a light once to do this. Okay. Oh, let me turn that side light on.
Actually, it's not pitch black.
You can just see a tiny little...
Yeah, there's
and your
tiny
eyes will
bit.
adjust slightly as well. Okay. So if you sit where we can see us both in there.
God, I need to get these seats sorted out, kids.
I'm just happy I'm not sat on glass.
It's warm.
It's not, it's cold, mate. It's actually freezing in here now.
Yes. If there's anybody here who'd like to speak to us, we don't mean you any harm. My name's Tony.
I'm Stacey. Or Michelle.
Oh, Michelle. Depends who you speak to.
Well, yeah. Yeah, it's cold in here now.
Yeah.
And it
It's
wasn't
like it's
cold.
followed us in, hasn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't as cold earlier. Hello?
Sorry.
Why don't you speak up?
Yeah. Hello?
Give it back.
What do you want back? Yeah, I can actually see my breath in front of me in here where we 10 minutes ago we couldn't.
No, we came through here and we couldn't before. There's a cat ball on the bar. If you touch it, it'll go off. Like this. Then we'll be able to see in small flashes of scariness.
Yes. Disco of death.
I don't like that. I prefer if it goes out, to be honest. So yeah, if you
There's
set that
something
cat
over there
ball
then.
off. What's that? What was over there then?
I heard a knock. And there's nothing over there apart from the back end of the restaurant.
If that was you, can you do it again? That wasn't a drip.
Hmm?
That wasn't a drip over there. That was
No.
a click.
Yeah, I can hear it again. It sounds like it's coming from over there.
Yeah, so there's a drip, but there's a click.
There's dripping, but there's no water connected into anything.
No, we will get past that.
Brilliant.
Do you mind us being here?
It is actually really cold in here now.
You got a jacket.
And I've got a coat on. It is freezing in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this. What's it called?
Yeah, yours is a bit more creepy.
Cool. It's like a bench. Would be if we could find it. There you are. I just wish I could get rid of that creepy fucking voice. Okay. You ready? Okay, I've put Spirit Talker on. And that was me that set that off. But I can't change the voice on Spirit Talker, so if anybody knows how to change that, if you can let me know in the comments, because it's creepy.
Floorboards.
Floorboards.
Yep.
So we turn that on. What about floorboards? I know we can't walk on them because they'll go through.
I don't know what it is, every time you say something, it's getting colder in here. You can feel like a coldness.
We're
coming
bringing something in.
Yeah. What about the floorboards?
They will scratch.
Now, is that my phone that set that off?
No, because you have to physically touch them. What did she say then?
They will scratch. If I do that. See, it doesn't take much on that bar to knock that. So I don't know if the vibration of my phone...
Yeah, I might have done.
If it goes off when it speaks again.
Rose.
Roses will scratch. Mate, every time a car goes past, there's a light that goes across the bar.
In all fairness, there's rose bushes outside when we came in.
Was there?
There was old rose bushes. There was the ones that were coming off. There were
Okay.
stems off rose bushes.
My life ended fast.
Yeah, see, it's my
It's
phone
set,
setting
yeah.
it off, isn't it? Let's put my phone over here.
How did your life end then?
Did your life end here?
Move it.
He's like, move it, give it back.
Move it.
He's aggressive, that ghost.
I'm glad I just took it off the scary one because it would have been a bit freaky. I don't know if it's me being paranoid, but my legs are getting cold as well.
Really?
Yeah, I'm actually like gone really, really cold.
I am cold. My arms are colder than they were when we arrived.
What is it with the ladies' toilets?
Is there a spirit that hangs around in the ladies' toilets?
They will get you.
They will get you.
Brilliant. Who will get us? I'm going to regret this.
Yeah.
You won't understand.
Understand what? What won't we understand?
Very quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, very quiet.
It does happen though, like.
Yeah, exactly.
Car again.
Smoke.
Smoke? What did you used to smoke? Do you want to smoke? I keep seeing like a movement here. I don't know.
Might be off the reflection after the lots of the cars coming through.
Yeah.
Hell, be quiet.
Didn't trust on that.
Do you want us to be quiet? If we be quiet, you make a noise. It keeps ticking it there. It's almost like my camera's ticking, but...
Feel.
Feel?
What year is it?
2024. What year do you think it is?
There's a noise. Every time a car rolls past, it's like a boom boom. But it's obviously something out there, I think, because it sounds like it's in here, but I don't think it is.
Yeah. So I've not heard anything else apart from that little couple of knocks when we first sat down.
Yeah.
I can still hear water dripping.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
I can
thinking
still...
that it's you. Okay.
Oh, it is you. Okay.
I'm not sure if that's the water dripping from the kitchen.
Yeah, because that was a constant drip,
Yeah.
wasn't it? The water in the kitchen.
It's weird how your eyes adjust to the dark all of a sudden.
Yeah,
It's
and you
like-
start to see little things,
Yeah.
don't you? And sometimes it's better, sometimes it's worse.
Yeah, because I'm keep looking over there at the moment where that noise come from originally.
Mm.
Go deeper.
Not quite sure how to answer that one.
No, I don't know. If we stumbled on somebody else's conversation.
Yeah.
Plants.
Plans. It's more of a high pitched
Yeah.
tick. There's the
I keep hearing a tick.
yeah. So there's the water drip,
Mm.
but that's a.
Stay right here.
I ain't going anywhere at the minute.
Like I say, we're not moving anywhere at the moment.
Yeah, there's the water tick, but then there's a
tick.
like an actual like a high pitched almost
Yeah.
like glass tick.
Because I can hear that. I can hear it from over here. It always seems to be over.
Experiment.
What kind of experiment are you doing? Seeing how scared you can get two randomers in the pub.
Yeah, basically. I've been fine until we hit the ladies' toilets.
Yeah, yeah. Your night it all went downhill once you went in
Yeah,
the ladies'
because once you went to the
toilets.
ladies' toilets.
Doctor experiment plans. Don't know, it all just seems a bit random, mate.
Were you a doctor?
Like in that other room, because you can still hear from the kitchen, but. Try to keep my feet really still as well.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to not move my feet or anything because I know there's broken
tiny amounts
glass.
of glass in there. Can you make a noise for us? It's Stacey's first time out doing one of these. You could really scare him.
Wouldn't take much.
Trust me, if you do it loud enough, you'll scare both of us.
What happened to me?
I don't know what happened to you. What do you think happened to you?
Eleanor.
Eleanor? Oh, is that the person or the Mustang?
Yeah. Was that your name?
Yes, it's me.
Hey. So are we speaking to Eleanor?
Little boy.
Oh. Now she's taking a piss.
Cheeky.
I mean, I call you that.
Yeah, exactly. There's not many people who get away with that. Or Michelle.
Oh,
Goodbye.
oh, that's not nice.
Oh, have you done?
Little boy.
At least you've got a sense of humour.
Yeah. That's harsh, that is. I don't even say stuff like
Yeah.
that. So I don't even say stuff like
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
Bored.
I tell you, that ghost tube's a prick. It said to me the other day I was annoying. I was like, I know I am, but there's no need to fucking tell me about it. But not even just once, twice that I tried it. Once in the pig farm, once at home. It said,
Oh, right.
you're annoying. I was like, oh.
It's already got it knows you already.
It's got
doesn't
the
it,
feel
really?
for who I
Yeah,
am,
I guess so, yeah. I suppose it doesn't come up with words.
Only because it can't swear, I don't think. Larry.
Who's Larry?
Like you Googling.
Yeah. I'm starving.
Okay, so we've sat in the dark, and in fairness, there's not been a lot. We've heard some clicks and ticks from over on the one side. It is eerie here, and it's definitely creepy. But we haven't really had that much apart from the ladies' toilets. It's the coldest place that we've been, although the cold has spread out here to us now. But again, we couldn't get any weird noises out of there. We're getting a lot of names and stuff out of the app, but none of it seems to link together. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my GoPro, I'm going to put it into the ladies' toilets with a cat ball. I'm just going to leave it in there, and we're going to have a break. We'll have a break, 5-10 minutes, and I'll get it back and I'll listen to it later and see if there's anything on it. Off we go.
Breath again.
Yeah,
See,
it's so cold.
It's so cold in here, but there's nothing, there's no open windows or anything.
No. Okay, so camera, cat ball. And we'll see if we catch anything. We'll go back out this except
It is freezing in there though.
Well, seeing as this door's being a weird one, I've got something that we can do I haven't tried yet. Okay, so we've left the camera in there for a little while we've had a little mooch. I've left this camera on so I can double check and make sure that any of the noises, if we get any, weren't us. But I'm just going to try something else at this door. If there's anybody here that wants to contact us or wants to let us know that they're here, can you copy me?
expecting for 3 bangs over. I'm like,
Yeah. Well, this room's been that weird out of the rest of them that I kind of expected something back then, to be honest. Well, okay, Bo, we tried everything we can, and it looks like something here knows your name. And it don't know us.
which I'm quite happy about.
Okay, we're about to go now. If you want to do anything to let us know that you're here before we go, scare us like you've scared other people that have been here.
Trust me, I can find my way out quicker than I came in.
And he'll get out of the window quicker than I will, so if you do anything... Okay. So, I think that's it for us tonight here. It's a really good place, it's really interesting, it's creepy as hell. And I think on any other night, keep hearing noises from down there. Any other night it might be something else, but it doesn't mean there's nothing here, it just means that we've caught it on a quiet night, I think. What do you reckon to it, Stace?
Oh, that was brilliant.
Caught
For
you
my
on the
first one,
headlights.
to be honest. That was brilliant for my first one, to be honest with you. Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I hope like when we go to some more, we'll bring Stacey along again, and maybe if we get Stacey and Ed and a couple of other people, we can go and do some other places that we got in mind. So, yeah, I don't think there's any more we can really do here tonight now, and I'll look at the footage from the GoPro when I get home, and I'll add anything in that's from in those toilets. But if you'd like the video today, if you'd like to like and subscribe, you don't have to, but it does help me out. Thanks a lot.
Oh.